All right, so we made it. We're here at Airboat Adventures. There's a Sasquatch behind me. We're super excited because today we're going to go out on a fan boat. We've never been on a fan boat. You ever been on a fan boat?
Nope.
No fan boats in our lives, so can't wait. Going to be super duper fun and trying not to get eaten by gators. Crazy fun, got crazy close to alligators.
Like 2 feet away.
Like 2 feet away. We saw raccoons, we got tons of information. Ian, our captain, was awesome. A little crazy, which was perfect for us.
Yeah, just crazy enough to put his hands in the water, but only for a minute.
Yeah, definitely recommend Airboat Adventures. If you're here, 1,000,000% worth it.
Get the small boat tour, because
Yeah.
you can go in more areas, because it's wide, it's small enough, narrow enough to fit into the little swamp area.
Yeah, because the big boats fit like, I don't know, like 30 people or something, but the small ones only fit like 8, so it's, I mean, he would whip it all around. It was the difference between being in a big old boat or like a jet ski, basically. It was awesome.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend coming here, checking it out in New Orleans, and be sure you book ahead of time, or you're probably going to have to come back later to get your tour spot, because they only do it a couple times a day.
Yeah, so book ahead of time for sure.